Y'all hear that? You guys hear that? Ah, it's gonna be fun. We are out at the Nikko Circuit, having a huge drift event out here. Today is a busy day. We hit Tsukuba for time attack. Now we're out at Nikko, and they're doing drifting out here. I'm gonna run you guys through this place. You guys get ready for a fun time. All right. I'll see what I can do about getting some track action for you. I'm gonna walk through the pits. I'm gonna knock out all this, and man, we're gonna have another fun time. All right, you guys, let me know what you think. As always, drop those comments. Thank you for all the support, and it's enough. It's enough of me. Let me just start walking. Come on, look at this. All right, we gonna walk through. I'm gonna show you some drifting. Got all the 8.6s out here. Ah, man. As much as I love like Tokyo Auto Salon and all of that, this is the place where I want to be, okay? I want to be at the track. Look, here's one of the corners over here. Look at that 15! Ah! Look. All right, so what do you guys think so far? Look at nothing but a huge 8.5, 8.6 group all the way down. They're getting ready to put another group out. I'm gonna try and find a good place to watch them swing in it. So S13. Ah, so much fun out here. What do you guys think? Good? There's just so much good stuff out here. Like, there's just rows upon rows. Look at a 15 on this side, 13 all the edge chassis. I'm gonna try and run through the pits a little bit, show you guys all this stuff that's going on out here in the pits, and then we'll find a couple good places to prop you guys up so we can watch some of this action. Got the Hey, how's it going, man? How you doing? Just you?
Ricky's here too.
You get the hell? Hey!
I think I saw you.
I saw you in the airport.
Well, wait a minute.
What do you guys think about that? Here they come. Look, just chilling just chilling with us, watching all the fun stuff.
Watch out for this black one. He's really good.
And then we got the next group coming out. Here, check it out. This is who we got going out this time.
68は木下理恵さん、1号シルビア、スパイラント、6年目は吉田雄大さん、3
All right, let's walk through the pits a little bit. Let me show you guys what we got going on in here. This thing's amazing. Y-Body 33, Pandam kit. Getting ready to go out. We're gonna try and catch him too. Let me get you guys down this row. Woo! Got a little bent rim action right there. I don't think he's worried about our vibration. There's so many good cars. ITBs on the Beams engine. Alright, we still gotta walk this whole row, but we're gonna go over here and watch him come around this corner. See what we can see over here. All right. All right, let's walk through here while they get them staged up for the next set. We'll see. Let's see what we can see. Little S2K, little AP2. Look at the wagon.
85番までが審査対象、86番以降は並走です。
All right, guys, so that is going to be it for today. We are all done. Well, we're done here. We're still going to go someplace else. And you know, we're in Japan, so that means every night we go to Daikoku or one of the other PAs. So we're definitely going to get out of here, head over to the next spot, which I think I haven't eaten all day. I've had like 4 or 5 coffees, so I think it's time to eat some food and then head over to one of the PAs. So I hope you guys enjoyed today. Today was a blast. Like I said, we did. What did we do? We did Tsukuba for time attack first. Then we came out to Nikko, did drifting out here at Nikko. So you guys keep looking out for those videos. I'll be dropping stuff. I mean, I'm in Japan all week, you know, for Tokyo Auto Salon. So we have Tokyo Auto Salon. We got everything else dropping, and it's going to be nothing but fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you liked out here, what your favorite car was, you know, favorite team, tandem, triples. They do everything out here. So, man, it was a blast. All right, I'm going to get out of here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for everything. All right.